Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems and robotics with fischertechnik. This video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the fischertechnik TXT controller, and the whole robot is made of fischertechnik. And the specific focus is on the drive for the motors, the gears, because for some reason there is still some deviation to the left when it's walking, and there's focus on the colors. The color separation, red, green and yellow, like you can see here. And I found a solution for that. So that is the first thing that I'm going to address. And to show it, I'm going to send you a screencast. Right. So the first focus is, as I said, the colors. And if you've watched the latest discovery video, you will have noticed that the array numbers of the lower and upper yellow were wrong, and they were fixed in the end. That's this, and I of course can show that it really works. So let's lower this, then going to run. And there's a slippery desktop stuff to walk on, so I need to give here which color. Let's do yellow. Yeah, I forgot something. And that's not true. No. And now it will do things. And this command is necessary to be able to receive stuff, as you can see. Aborted. Keeps coming up, the aborted stuff. Now it will be all right. It grabs an image. Which color? Yellow, which I just fixed. At least, I hope I fixed it. All right. That's for now enough. So, no, that's for the other window. And I have to get a little bit up. Yellow. Copy. Display. Paste. Ampersand to keep it open. And here you have a yellow part of the upper ridge. So that finally really does work. If I choose red, well, yeah, let's choose red from the same position, being the position of the robot. And then, all right, it moves a bit. Then it has to ask me for the right color, which is red in this case. Should give a much bigger surface. Wait, where's my red? Where's my red? I don't have a red image. Is this red? I don't think so. Let me test. Yeah, that's a red image. And as you can see, it's from the same position, much larger, but not complete. Anyway, it's proven it works. So that's good. Now for the green. So with 99% of the time in the members only video spent on fixing the cars, which I finally managed, I can show the walking once again. Going for the green color, and you will have to watch that video where I solved it all to be able to see some walking. And now it is done, and once more to have a walk. With some support. And sensors touching the object. And waiting for my input. And going to the left, which I still haven't managed to solve. So, going to correct, and that's it. Yeah, so if you want to see how I solved colors, please buy the video or become a member. Member via Patreon or Ko-fi. Buying a video via Patreon, and you can also do one-time support via Ko-fi and via PayPal. Thank you for the member of Patreon being listed on my website, special page. For now, thanks for watching, have a great day, stay safe, take care. Oh, and by the way, if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification and leave a comment or suggestion under the video. Bye.